Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick ombre set using transfer foils and mostly Makartt products. After you prep your nails, apply your tips, you're going to want to take some base coat and apply that to all of your nails. These are Makartt transfer foils and I'm going to be using these rose ones. Taking a pair of scissors, I'm just going to cut off a few sections that I'm going to be using for all my nails, applying some nail foil glue, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. I forgot to mention that after you apply the base coat, you're going to want to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds before doing anything else. When you're applying transfer foils, you really want to make sure you apply pressure. Obviously, you don't want to break the tip of the nail off, but at the same time, you do want to apply enough pressure where the whole design does transfer onto the nail. I found using these tweezers was the easiest way for me to get that look. If you see that the design didn't transfer all the way, you can take that same foil and just dab it into the areas where it didn't transfer. It might still be sticky. If it's not, you're going to want to take a little bit more glue and go into those areas again. Make sure you only get the empty spots as much as possible, and then cure in the lamp for 30 seconds and do the process again. After I repeat that process on all of my nails, I'm now going in with the Makartt and Femi Beauty collab. I'm going to be using this new polygel from there. This is called Glitter Fairy. Using 91% alcohol as my slip solution, I'm now taking my brush and just patting that into place, building up that apex. After I'm happy with this first layer, I do that to all of my nails, and then I cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm now going to go in with a second layer and really start to build up that structure. After I'm happy with that, I cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm now going to be taking this red fine glitter from Glitterbels. I'm using the base coat from the Polygel kit. I'm not going to cure that in the lamp before applying the glitter on. Using my brush, I'm just going to stagger that around on all of my nails until I'm happy with it. We are now going to encapsulate those glitters and also the ombre foils. Taking this clear polygel from the Makartt pink polygel kit, I'm going to apply that to all of my nails, and then I'll cure in the lamp for 60 seconds.
Go ahead, tell me all the ways you miss it, how you want me back in your bed, but I'm not around for hearing you out. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you.
After file shaping and buffing, I'm now going to go in with a Makartt's Rhinestone gel glue, and then I'm going to go over top of that with the Makartt top coat. This is to really flatten out that glue. Then I'm going to go through and I'm going to apply the rhinestones, cure in lamp for 60 seconds.
Chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you helped yourself to somebody else. It's too late. Don't really care about all of your mistakes. You were out of your league in the first place. Not even surprised that you let me down, down, down. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Tryna play a game, but you don't play for keeps.
Going through and applying top coat to the rest of the nails, I'm also going to be applying cuticle oil. This is Young Nails Rose Oil. Here we are with the finished look. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set. After using foils now a couple times, I did find them pretty easy to use. And if you're interested in trying Makartt products out, I do have a discount code that I'll leave in the description box below. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Even though it was shorter, I hope you learned something and found it entertaining still. But until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!